Question 53 says a committee of 5 people is to be chosen from a group of 6 men and 4 women. How many committees are possible if there is to be a majority of women? So we have a committee of 5 to be chosen. We have a committee of 5 which has to be a majority of women. That means it's either we have 3 women to 2 men or 4 women and a man, 1 man. And if you have something like 3 women and 2 men, the word "and" most times in permutation and combination and also in probability means multiply, and the word "or" means to add. So we have, since it's of selection, this question falls under combination. So we have, for the first one, we have, since you have 4 women in total and 6 men, and for the first part where we have 3 women to 2 men, so it will be 4 combination 3, since there are 3 women to be chosen out of 4 women, and times 6 combination 2, since 3 women to 2 men and a total of 6 men. So we'll take for this, the word "or" there means plus. We have to take for this second part to be 4 women, so it's 4 out of 4 women, that's 4 combination 4, and out of 6 men we're taking 1. So we'll solve this. We have 4 factorial over 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial, times 6 factorial over 2 factorial into bracket 6 minus 2 factorial, plus 4 factorial over 4 factorial into bracket 4 minus 4 factorial, times 6 factorial over 1 factorial into bracket 6 minus 1 factorial. On the next line, I have 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 is 1, was 1 factorial, times 6 factorial over, we know how our combination works, so we should have understood that for you to do 6 combination 2, you take the 6 first, you take the 2, then the subtraction of the 2 of them factorial. So we have 2 factorial, 4 factorial, plus 4 factorial over 4 factorial, 0 factorial, that's 4 minus 4, times 6 factorial, 1 factorial, 5 factorial. For this first one, in 4 factorial, you have 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 1 factorial. 3 factorial cancels 3 factorial. On this side, we have 6 factorial. Since we want this 4 factorial to cut out and not stress ourselves multiplying, so we can say 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancels the 4 factorial, plus 4 factorial over 4 factorial, 0 factorial is 0, so 4 factorial cancels 4 factorial, times 6 times 5 factorial over 1 factorial times 5 factorial. This cancels this out, 5 factorial cancels 5 factorial. On the next line, we'll be left with, since 1 factorial is 1, this will be 4 times 6 times 5, that's 30, 2 factorial is 2 times 1, plus 1, 4 factorial cancels 4 factorial, times 1 factorial is 1, you have 6 over 1, we have 4 times 30 over 2 plus 1 times 6, 4 times 15, that's 2 here, 1, 2 here, 15 plus 6 times 1, that's 6. 4 times 15 is 60 plus 6, which is 66. Our final answer is 66. Let's see, that's 66.